What's up? It's Anson here. Today I'm going to talk to you guys about my brand new AMP steps. If you want to come along. So if you open any of these doors, these automatic deploying steps will come right out with pretty much no delay. And once you close it up, it closes with a 2-second delay. As you can see, it's quite smooth. And once it closes, it hides away from the vehicle, so you can't even tell that you have steps. If you come along here. These steps are finished in a tough powder coat, so it won't scratch or anything like that. And it's got a good texture for you to step on, so you won't slip. And before, when I was stepping into the vehicle, I had to, make a huge step like that and then jump on here. Whereas now, I could just step on here, come down, vice versa, step here, come in naturally. And before I had these steps, I had to come down like that, and if you're not careful, you could, twist your ankle or something like that. So along with being easy to get in and out the vehicle, it also protects your bolster right here, because now when you get off, you can step on here instead of jumping off and dragging your butt on here, so it'll save it from getting destroyed and aging. Same for the back here. When you get up, you get in very easily, as you can tell, instead of grabbing here, jumping off if you didn't have these steps. Now it's just like a natural staircase into your vehicle. You're in. And if you got kids, or your girl, or your family, and they got to get up on a truck, it's not easy for them, right? So having this really helps, and it looks factory as well when you close it. So it also extends all the way to the rear of the cab. So if you need to reach in your box or anything, you can step on here with your wheel and grab whatever you need. Also, you could use it to get onto the roof, and just many benefits of having these steps. And best of all, it looks great when it's tucked away, because you don't have a little big bar coming out here, which reduces ground clearance. These, when they close, they actually go above the frame rails, so don't worry about scratching it if you're off-roading or anything. So since these are the Xtreme editions, they're built more robust. And if you come take a closer look, I'm gonna step on it, you can see it doesn't really move. So they are very stable and sturdy. You can have people in the front and back getting in at the same time. It's not gonna move or snap or any of that. So you ain't gotta worry about that. It's built in the USA, engineered in the USA, and there's a 5-year warranty from the manufacturer, which is located in the USA. So you're getting a quality product. So I've been sharing all the pros with you guys about these steps. Now I'm gonna talk to you guys about some cons. First being is the cost. These will set you back about 3,000 Canadian installed, and to get them, it was quite hard for me up here because no one wanted to keep these expensive steps in stock. And since they're such vehicle specific, you got to custom order it from the States, and it takes a couple months, as you know, with all this pandemic stuff, logistic issues and supply chain issues. It might take some time for you to get them where you want it. So another cool thing is, if you open any of the doors, the puddle lights will turn on with the steps all around, so which helps at night if you're trying to look at the floor and stuff. Just an FYI, this ain't a sponsored video. I wish it was, because these are freaking expensive in my opinion, but it's definitely a game changer. I would buy it again if I had to. Just check this out, man. I had to take that huge step going in before, and I love the truck, but just getting in and out was a freaking pain, especially after you hit leg day at the gym. Now that I got this, I ain't got no excuse to get rid of the truck anymore. And if you guys are thinking the same, I'd say go ahead. If the funds ain't an issue, this is definitely the best way to go, because it comes down so low that it's like a staircase for you. So not like the other steps where you got to raise your leg a bit more. But this has been awesome, and I have no regrets getting it. Hope this video helped you guys out. Please like and subscribe for more videos.